Usually when we're getting a little bit stressed, one of the things that we will do is either we will cave in on ourselves, or in order to show that we're really in control of things, we'll flare the ribs. And this might even be your normal everyday posture. If that is the case, what's happening here is you're putting undue stress in your neck and shoulders. So if you're finding your neck and shoulders getting super, super tight, then have a look at where you're placing your rib cage. So you want to make sure that your ribs aren't pushing ahead of your hips. So if I do that, all I can feel is my hands are flaring away, or my fingertips are flaring away from my hips. So I have to bring my ribs backwards, and as I do that, they're just going to subtly drop a little bit. So I'm not talking about squashing the rib cage and the pelvis together and getting short. It's more of a backward movement. And so as I do that, so if my ribs are flared, my lower back is under tension, my neck and shoulders are under tension, but if I move my ribs backwards, can you see how my lower back lengthens? It's easier for me to get my weight through my heels and my neck frees up. So drop your ribs. Think about bringing them closer towards the back of your body without any tension. It's just a softening and a melting. Enjoy that sensation. It feels delicious.